we're back now, 4:45 this Tuesday. You were off yesterday, got to enjoy the nice weather.
Yeah.
It's been beautiful, which has been a good change for
I
this
know.
summer.
It was like so needed.
I know.
Like everyone just like exhaled this past weekend.
Yeah.
It was like, thank you for that. And it looks like these next few days will be really similar. They're going to be on the hot side. We're going to have a lot of sunshine, and there'll be some isolated storms from time to time, but nothing major like we had earlier in the month. A couple of showers out there this morning north of Route 2. It just came through Rumford, now moving through Farmington. Next up will be Skowhegan. So a little wet in the western Maine mountains, but not much. Some fog too. It's just patchy in Waterville, Freiburg, Berlin, New Hampshire. Nothing major. The commute should be pretty smooth. Temperatures are in the mid to, in some places, upper 60s. Millinocket and Bangor checking in at 68 right now. And dew points are also in the 60s. So it is muggy out there, and I expect these numbers to rise through the day. Right now, we're right around 64.5, which is on the sticky side, climbing to uncomfortable levels midday and for the afternoon. Not quite as bad of an air mass as we had a couple of weeks ago, but still, it'll feel uncomfortable. We've got high pressure off the coast, humidity building in from the south and west, and a cold front back here, which will trigger a couple of storms this afternoon. And then we get back to some high pressure for tomorrow. So tomorrow looks great, and most of Thursday does too, until we get to the late afternoon when some more thunderstorms roll in. Patchy fog, but no big issues for you, and there'll be sunshine out there, so we'll be heating up quickly, rising through the 70s mid-morning and then into the 80s by midday with some hot sunshine up there and that humidity that's creeping up. We will start to get, though, a breeze around lunchtime for the coastline, and that will get slightly gusty this afternoon, which will keep the air moving, which is good because it is going to be very warm and muggy out there this afternoon. But as that front sags south through the state, we could see a couple of storms spark, and if we do get some, they may be on the gusty side. So we'll keep an eye on that radar for you late today. High temperatures will reach the lower 80s along the coastline from Wiscasset to Portland down through the beaches of York County. And then we're talking upper 70s for parts of the mid and down east coast. Inland, however, away from that stronger south wind, we're going to see highs right around 85 again today. Augusta, Bangor, Lewiston, all right around 85. And probably a little warmer sections east of Bangor out through about Calais, hitting about 87 or 8. Tomorrow looks real good with high pressure in charge. We're looking at a lot of sunshine, temps in the mid-80s again. Thursday, the next wave of low pressure in front comes in. That means some storms are possible in the afternoon. That front will pass off the coastline. Replacing it is going to be some heat with more of an offshore breeze on Friday. That's going to be the hottest day of the week, probably hitting 90 or 92 degrees. And then we've got another front that'll sag south on Saturday, likely getting through us with some scattered showers on Saturday. More importantly, some relief from heat and humidity late in the weekend. A big air mass change expected on Sunday with temperatures dropping into the 70s, but we'll have sunshine. And we'll have some pleasant air out there too, almost like natural air conditioning. Our friends from Canada will share that with us. Marine forecast seas 2 to 3 feet, south wind 5 to 10 knots. Water in the upper 60s, close to 70. It is pretty mild right now. So there's our 7-day forecast for inland folks. Mid-80s today, tomorrow, and Thursday. A couple of storms are possible this afternoon, and then some stronger ones maybe on Thursday afternoon. Friday will be the hottest of the stretch, a high right around 90, and then we start transitioning on Saturday from the heat to some very comfortable air. Sunday and Monday are highs in the mid to upper 70s. Humidity will be gone at that point, and we'll have a mix of sunshine and clouds on both of those days. So Sunday looks like the weekend pick. We could be dealing with a few raindrops depending on the timing of that front to start the weekend on Saturday.
Cannot complain about that
No,
forecast, though.
it's pretty good, pretty
All right.
good.
Thank you, Todd.
Finally.